everyone. I'm Dr. Nanika Singh, working as an assistant professor in psychology at Mahatma Gandhi State Institute of Public Administration, Sector 26, Chandigarh. I'm back again with another video of mine. Previously, I had spoken to you on certain stress management techniques to deal with COVID-19. Today, I'll be sharing my views with you on certain techniques to foster happiness and well-being. Now, happiness, according to me, is the path to achieve success and any kind of spiritual awakening and self-acceptance and true inner strength within an individual. Happiness is not the end product. Happiness is the path to achieve the end product. Now, to achieve that kind of inner satisfaction, to come in tune with your body, mind and soul, there are certain techniques which I'll be guiding you forth today. So let me be a little guide and mentor for you today to open into the deeper realms of attaining true happiness. The first technique I'll be dealing with today is called mirroring. Now, it is a hardcore fact which is also supported by research that self-acceptance is the biggest weapon to achieving happiness. And in order to do that, I'll help you facilitate in order to achieve that. And that through the technique of mirroring. Now, before we actually get down to the technique, please take out your notepads and pen and write this affirmation for yourself. Yes, write down please. I love and accept myself the way I am. Once you've written down this affirmation, now please close your eyes and repeat this affirmation aloud 3 times. Now, while doing so, relate to the affirmation. You should be able to connect deeply with the affirmation. Only then you will benefit out of the technique. Once you have done so, whatever time is convenient to you, whether in the morning or in the evening or before sleeping at night, you will stand in front of the mirror, and while maintaining an eye contact with the mirror, you will speak this affirmation aloud. Yes, of course, relating to the affirmation and connecting with it. And you will say, I love and accept myself the way I am. And you will repeat this affirmation 2 to 3 times. And trust me, when you actually will be able to master this technique, you will reach to a higher level of yourself, leading towards happiness. It will open and explore those realms of your wisdom, of your inner being, which not many people can attain. The next technique which I'll be speaking to you about is called mindful listening. Now, let us come to this word mindfulness. What do you mean by mindfulness? Now, mindfulness means focusing only on the present with whatever you are doing, without bothering about what your past was, what your future holds for you. You will focus only on the present. That is, as very rightly said by psychologist Carl Rogers, here and now. And that is very true, because past has already gone. Future is yet to come. But what we have in hand is to capitalize the present. And mindfulness talks about capitalizing on the present. Again, a technique to foster health, well-being and happiness. So let's go along with mindful listening. Now, before I actually go along with the technique, let me give you a few instructions. I will play you a beautiful piece of music, and while you will hear that music, remember one thing, that while listening to music, you will only focus on the music, only what your ears are hearing. There will be no thoughts, no judgments and no opinions. So much so you will not even focus on the lyrics. You will only focus on what you're hearing. So, are you ready to start? Now, before we actually begin, make yourself very comfortable. Relax. Relax yourself. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax yourself completely. Now, very, very slowly, you close your eyes. Close your eyes. And let me start playing the music for you. Are you ready? Let's go ahead. Yes, let's go along with the music. Enjoy. And relax yourself completely. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax. Relax. Every muscle of your body. Right from the sole of your foot. Slowly upwards. Relax. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Rub your palms and place on your eyes and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm certain that if we've been able to follow the instructions of the technique, it will work miracles for you. So let's end on this happy note that music is actually therapeutic both for the body and mind. Research conducted in 2015 has also logically documented that in people's houses where music is played, even plants grow faster. So you can actually relate to the therapeutic, calming and enigmatic impact of music, especially not only just listening to music for the heck of it, but listening to music mindfully. Thank you. For any such queries, you can connect with me on Facebook relating to psychological techniques, stress management techniques, various therapies, and even counseling techniques. You can reach me on WhatsApp on my number, that is 950-10-49190, or you can also call me on 9781 595924. Thank you.